Hey guys, LJ here, and I'm about to make up some pumpkin chocolate chip muffins, but I wanted to first stop on here and share these mixing bowls with you. I received these from Priority Chef as a gift so that I could do this test and review, and we are truly loving these mixing bowls. They fit so well together. This has been a great addition to my pantry. I'm able to throw out some of my older bowls that don't mix and match, don't stack well, the lids don't work well, or some of them don't even have lids. So this has been a fantastic addition to my kitchen. So there are 5 bowls in this set and they nest together super well, and then the lids also nest together very, very well. You have from 1.5 quarts all the way up to 5 quarts, and they do have, don't want to click this too loud on here, they do have mixing the measurements inside of each bowl, and you have quarts and liters on the little mixing line there. So that is fantastic. They are a pretty thick stainless steel, very high quality feel to them, and they have a nice rubber bottom, a very nice rubberized bottom that's nice and grippy. They stick to my counter so well while I'm mixing things up, and they have these lids that are super nice. These are not a rubber, these are like a plastic type material, but they seal on here very well. Now they say to push through the middle to help press out any air when you're sealing these in, and they do really seal in very, very well. I mean, I'm holding it by the lid and the lid is not falling off of this. These have been fantastic for, we have marinated some meat in some. We make muffins when we do the mixing in those. I had this one mixed up with some tomatoes and cucumbers chopped up the other day, and I just put the lid on it and stuck it back in the refrigerator until we were ready to use it. They work so well, and then they nice and clean up, and they stack together, and they store so well. Now the lids are not dishwasher friendly. You need to hand wash these lids, but they clean up super well. They're not anything too much, and they do recommend that you put these on the top shelf of the dishwasher, and that's probably because of this rubberized bottom here. Honestly, these things take up so much room in my dishwasher, and they don't stick. Things don't stick to them very well. They're typically very, very easy to just hand wash the whole thing and then stick them back in the cabinet. I absolutely love this set. Again, we have used them for so many things. You could make salads. We've done a lot of just, that's going to be very loud in my microphone, I'm sorry. We've done a lot of mixing of like making dough, making muffins, things like that. Also, my husband marinating meat, put it in here, put the lid on it, let it sit for a while. And then I have also used it storing and chopping up vegetables. I absolutely love this set. I hope this review helps. I hope you're having a great day, and thanks so much for watching.